Step 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 1. Press Windows I to open Settings. 2. Go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. 3. Find Windows Update and click Run. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions and let it fix any detected issues. 5. Restart your PC and try updating again. Step 2. Clear Windows Update cache. Corrupted update files often cause error 0x80070003. 1. Press Windows S, type Command. 2. Right-click Command Prompt, Run as Administrator. 3. Stop Windows Update Services. You can see the code in our conversation history. Piece 4. Delete the cache. You can see the code in our conversation history. 5. Restart the services. You can see the code in our conversation history. 6. Close Command Prompt and restart your PC. Try the update again. Step 3. Check disk for errors. 1. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. 2. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Press Y to schedule the check on the next restart. 4. Restart your PC and let it scan. Step 4. Use System File Checker, SFC, and DISM-1. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. 2. Run SFC. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. After completion, run DISM. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Restart your PC and attempt the update again. Step 5. Reset Windows Update Components. If the above steps fail, reset all Windows Update components manually. 1. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. 2. Run these commands one by one. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Restart PC and try updating. Step 6. Manually download and install KB5068861. 1. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Search for KB5068861. 3. Download the correct version for your system, x64 or ARM. 4. Double-click the downloaded .msu file and follow the installation wizard. Step 7. Disable third-party antivirus VPN temporarily. Sometimes antivirus or VPN interferes with updates. Temporarily disable antivirus and disconnect VPN. Retry the update. Tip: if the error